morning. This is one of these ember mugs that keeps your coffee hot for like hours. A lot has changed since we did the last vlog here. We're in a new house. We moved. We bought a new house a few months ago, so that's different. We have a baby. I don't think you guys have even met the baby. Maybe you have. Did we ever do any vlogs with the baby? This is Hannah. She is 6 months old now. An absolute blast. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. So all of this, excuse me. All of this that's been going on is why we haven't really made any videos. Moving and baby and selling the other house and doing all the different things. But I felt like it was time to jump back on that wagon. There's action-packed day today. We got a company Christmas party today, going go-kart racing, so everyone else is gonna lose.
So you want to go go-kart racing?
Going go-kart racing today.
Without me?
Yeah, I know, sorry. But you got to go on the Land Cruiser trip.
Yeah, this may not have been a great idea. I don't know if there's an alternative way out of here.
So, you know, speaking of Land Cruiser, I'm supposed to go on another trip Friday. I've got to figure out what the weather is going to be like and if I can even do that. Okay, ready to go to school?
Yeah.
Cool, because we gotta leave in like 6 minutes. So one of the things we have to do today is finish filming a video of a stroller review we're doing. My garage is a mess, don't judge me. So one of the last things that we need to finish this video we're working on is a video clip of one of our diaper bags hanging from the handle with the stroller straps. So I've got to get that for Travis so he can finish that up. Okay, that's all I needed there. Let's get the kids to school and off to the office. Blast off. All right, see ya. Have a good day. Bye. What up, T-Dog?
Oh, you know, just working away.
You ready to lose in go-karts this afternoon?
I've got my helmet
No, you don't.
and gloves.
Nuh-uh.
Pit Viper gloves. It's on. I'm ready.
So you're
Full send.
you're gonna look really good when you lose.
When
what
I
I
take
heard.
Jade out and I put her in the hospital, yeah, she's gonna look good.
G-Funk.
What's up, man?
Dude, look at that shirt. You dressed up nice for me today.
I know, right?
How's it going?
Only for you.
You're gonna look good losing today too.
I mean,
What's up? What's up? How's it going? You know. So I'm supposed to go on this camping trip this weekend, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go. I've got to check the weather because honestly, it doesn't look like it's gonna be too great. I also, if I'm going to go, I want to wash the Land Cruiser because it's really dirty inside from the last trip, and I like to start things fresh and clean. So, we're supposed to go to this place right here. It's called Gulch's Off-Road Park. It's in Lawrence, South Carolina, and it's like this full-blown off-road park. It's got all sorts of stuff from easy to very difficult. Ooh, that doesn't look good. And I wanted to make some suspension videos about the Land Cruiser, the Ironman 4x4 suspension, etc. Let's see what this 10-day forecast. Let's see what we got. That's not good. Friday, Saturday is when I'm going. Sunday I'd be coming back. Yeah, I don't know that I'm going camping this weekend. I might be canceling that. Hold on. Wait, what? You're going to do better than I think?
mm-hmm. Better than you.
Sam's probably the lightest one here. Well,
What?
Will's pretty light too. Where'd Will go?
All I know is Travis.
These two are probably the lightest in the building, so your
we have
lap
to have,
times
like-
will be like pretty.
I'll start in the back.
Yeah, could you? My understanding is they do it off of time. So I'm curious if they like do it by weight too, and there's like something that corrects time with.
We like jockeys. We got.
Yeah.
You
Oh,
gotta weigh in.
this weather sucks. Oh, here's the rain. All right, see you boys there. Everybody know where they're going?
What? This looks sweet. This looks amazing.
Hey, no U-turns.
Oh yeah, this is gonna be a blast. Matt, you sure you're gonna ride?
Oh, I'm gonna ride.
Yeah.
I might hurt myself, but I'll ride,
That's
dude.
what I'm talking about.
Hey, I took enough pain medicine this morning.
Jay, did you get us signed in?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much.
Kinda.
I think.
Like,
Hey,
and then you pulled in.
just so you know, I'll be standing right there where it says number 1.
Yeah, holding my place. Yeah. Keep it more, yeah. Keep it dry.
All right, here we go. Okay, first round was awesome. That was fantastic.
Oh, we can go full speed.
What was T-Dog's review?
It's not bad. It's flat the whole time.
Yeah.
So there's no break, no nothing. Just take a good line and go. But the weight disadvantage is a little much on these. So.
Yo, this guy, you and I had a good battle.
Yeah.
That was a pretty good battle back and forth. Sam, are you in first place again?
I think so.
Yeah, that's awesome, dude.
I saw you come out.
He cuts through it, it's gone. I'm just like, damn it. Good job. Thanks, man.
So I got in third place, Brian. In second place, we have Matt.
All right.
And in first place, I have Samuel. It's the greatest moment of my life!
I got a bad car, okay? I would've been
Oh,
first place.
wait, what happened to the skill?
You know what?
There's no, oh, the car, oh, it's
It
skill.
was the car on the last one. When it was good, it was skill. When it was bad, it was the car.
Setup was wrong. I wasn't getting full throttle.
Tire pressure, my alignment was off.
Yeah.
Well, that was fun. If you made it this far in this video, first of all, go ahead and subscribe if you aren't, because why not? But second of all, thank you. I mean, there's really no point to this video aside from I just wanted to make a vlog, just sort of document where we are in life, what's going on, just have sort of a timestamp that I can always look back at. I wanted to sort of, I wanted to kind of work my creative muscles and just create. I haven't really made anything significant in a while, and part of it is just sort of a creative mental block. So going through this exercise was of like just turning on the camera, hitting record, and documenting what's going on, and then I have to go and edit this and sort of make something out of it will push me to kind of flex that muscle. I don't know if that's the right word, but you get what I'm saying. So anyways, thank you for allowing me to do that. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.